We'll guide you through how to feather a mask in After Effects. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial to learn how to soften mask edges in Adobe After Effects using mask feathering. It helps them create smoother transitions, cleaner blending, and more natural visual effects in videos. This technique is commonly used in cinematic edits, face blurs, motion graphics, and social media content because it makes masking look more professional and visually polished. It also helps editors focus attention on specific areas without creating harsh edges. Beginners often use this technique to improve the overall quality of their video compositions quickly and easily. First, open Adobe After Effects on your computer and wait for the program to load completely. After the workspace appears, create a new composition to begin your project. Set the composition settings you need, then confirm to open the timeline. Next, import your image or video into the project panel and add it to the timeline, so it becomes your main layer. After that, select the layer and use the pen tool or shape tool to create a mask directly on the footage in the composition window. Once the mask is created, press F on the keyboard to quickly open the mask feather property in the timeline. Increase the feather value gradually so the edges of the mask become softer and blend more naturally with the surrounding image or video. Continue adjusting the feather amount until the edge looks smooth and visually clean. After that, press M to view the full mask settings and access additional controls such as mask path and mask expansion. If needed, enable mask path keyframes by clicking the stopwatch so the mask can animate over time. Move the playhead forward and adjust the mask position or shape to create movement during playback. You can also add a blur effect if needed to make the overall look even softer and more cinematic. Once all adjustments are complete, preview the result by playing the timeline from the beginning and check that the feathered mask blends smoothly and the animation works correctly. Make any necessary adjustments to feather strength, mask shape, or timing. Finally, add the composition to the render queue and click Render to export the final video.